Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm inside my sim room. It is either 801 or 802. Like what I said on my main channel, I should be posting more videos on this one. And also, 3 new videos should be up by next week. So if I look like this, I'm just really tired, so yeah. So, also I have big news that you should like. So basically, I'm getting an L. I know people are gonna be like, why are you getting an L? Well, I'll tell you why. They're so cool and cute. I'm naming him Ollie. Well, I'm only getting him if I can sell green chicanas and budgies. So if anyone wants to buy any birds, just let me know. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.